Hi everyone, welcome back to Math Method of TV, where we make math simple, fun, and easy to understand. If prime factorization feels confusing, watch this video to learn simple tricks, step-by-step methods, and easy shortcuts to break down any number using prime factorization. It is perfect for students, teachers, and anyone preparing for examination. So grab your notebook, hit the like button, and let's explore the world of prime factorization together. So we'll be discussing on this topic, fastest way to find prime factors. Fastest way to find prime factors. Before you uh before you find a number, a prime factors, you need to understand what prime factors is all about. So prime factor is a prime number inside a factor of a number. Prime factors. A prime factor, a prime factor, prime factor is a number, is a prime number, is a prime number, prime number, prime numbers inside a factors, inside a factors of a given number, A prime factor is a prime numbers inside a factors of a given number. What this implies is that a factor, where you are given a number, the factors of those number, the prime number inside those factors, they are called prime factors. And in the last video, I discussed what factors are. Factors are any number that divide a particular number exactly without a decimal places. Factors of a number, they are any numbers that divide a particular number exactly without a decimal places. So take for instance, if you are told to find to look for the factors of 10, you start dividing from 1 to 10. So any number in between that gives you exactly a number without a decimal place is a factor of that number. For instance, let's look at this example. What are the factors of 12? Example. So we are going to look at this example so that you can get what a prime factor is all about. So this example, what are the factors of 12? What are the factors of 12? What are the prime factors of 12? Sorry. What are the prime factors of 12? So we'll be looking at this example to fully understand what prime factor is all about. Hope you are listening. If you look at the definition, a prime factor is a prime numbers inside a factors of a given number. So to get the prime factors, look at this example now. What are the prime factors of 12? So to get the prime factors of 12, what we are going to do first is to look for the factors of 12. So whatever our outcome or result, then we'll now pick the prime number inside these factors of 12. Those prime number will represent prime factors. Now, you first look for the factors of 12. First, look for the factors of 12. Hope you are following. Hope you are getting it. First thing, you look for the factors of 12. So, and I told you that earlier on that factors are number that divide a particular number exactly without decimal places. So we are going to look for the factors of this 12. And to get that, you have to start dividing from 1. Start dividing from 1 up to 12. Up to 12. So to get the factors of this number of 12, start dividing from 1 up to 12 itself. So anyone that is divisible by this 12 without a decimal places, that is the factor of this 12. So we start from 1. 12 divided by 1, that gives us 12. 12 divided by 2 to give us 6. 12 divided by 3 to give us 4. 12 divided by 4, that will give us 3. That will give us 3. Hope you are following. So 12 divided by 5, this one will give us a decimal places. That is 2 point, it remains 2. In 20, that is 4. So automatically this one disqualify this as a factor. Then 12 divided by 6, that gives us 2. 12 divided by 7, this one will give us 1 point. When you divide this, it will give us 1 point. Then it remain 5 in 50. That is 7. That is 49, 7 dash. Then 12 divided by 8, this one will give us 1. Remain 4. Then in 40, 5. So you have 12 divided by 9. This will give us 1 point as well. Remain 3 in 30. That is 3. That is 27. You have 3, 27, 3, 3, and so on. So Hope you are following. So 12 divided by 10, that will give us 1.2. 12 divided by 11, that will give us 1. Remain 1, 1.0 0 0 something. So 12 divided by 12, that will give us 1. Exactly. So we have come to the division of 12. So look at it. The first is to look for the factors of 12. So when I told you that to get the factors of 12, what you need to do is to start dividing from 1 up to 12 itself. So this is what we have just done. 12 divided by 1, 12. 12 divided by 2, 6. 12 divided by 3, 4. 12 divided by 4, 3. 12 divided by 5, it gives us 2.4. 12 divided by 6 give us 2. 12 divided by 7 give us 1.7 something approximately. 12 divided by 8 give us this. 12 divided by 9 give us this. 12 divided by 10, 1.2. 12 divided by 11, 1.0 dash dash. 12 divided by 12, it gives us 1. If you look at this now, from the definition of factors, I told you that factors of a number, they are numbers that divide a number exactly without a decimal places. So if you look at this now, this has disqualified this as a factor because of the decimal places. This one too has disqualified this as a factor because of the decimal places. This has disqualified 5 as a factor because it's giving us a decimal places. This 7 has disqualified this as a factor of 12 because it's giving us a decimal places. 8 as well has disqualified this as a factor of 12 because it's giving us a decimal places. Also 9 is giving us a decimal places. Hope you are following. So all these factors that are giving us decimal places, they are not the factors of 12. They are not the factors of 12. They are not the factors of 12. Hope you are following. Now, we have gotten the factors of 12. So we are now going to look for the prime numbers inside these factors. So let's list the factors out. Let us list the factors of 12. The factors of 12 that we have got here. That is the factors of 12 are 1, because it has given us a whole number without the decimal places. 1, 2, 3, that is 4. Then if you look at this one, 2, that is 6. And 12. Look at this, 12. 12 divided by 12 give us 1. So 12 is also a factor of itself. 12 is a factor of itself. Note that 1 is a factor of any number, and a number is a factor of itself. Number is a factor of itself. This is what I mean by that. 12 divided by 12 give us 1. So 12 is a factor of itself. So we have gotten the factors of 12, which are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12. Hope you are following. So inside these factors now, we are going to pick out the prime numbers. From the definition, prime factors are prime numbers inside a factors of a number. So we have gotten the factors of this number 12. So we are going to pick out the prime numbers inside these factors. Prime numbers inside this factor. Remember, prime numbers are numbers they are numbers that have two factors, one and their self. One and their self. So now we are going to pick out the prime numbers from the prime numbers that are in these factors. Remember the definition. The prime numbers inside a factors of a given number. The prime numbers inside a factor of a given number. So we have gotten the factors of 12. So we are now going to pick the prime number. We are going to pick. We will now pick out the prime numbers inside these factors. We will pick out the prime numbers that are inside of these factors. So the prime numbers are the prime numbers are 2, 2 and 3. 2 and 3. The prime numbers are 2 and 3. Why? Because they have just two factors, 1 and their numbers itself. 1 and this one, the factors of this is 1 and 2. The factors of these 3 is 1 and 3. So they are the only prime numbers. They are the only prime numbers in these factors. They are the only prime numbers in this factor, 2 and 3. Are you following? Therefore, the prime factor, the prime factors of 12, the prime factors of 12 are 2 and 3. So the prime factors of 12 are 2 and 3. Hope you are getting it. So the prime factors of 12 are 2 and 3. Hope you understand it. And if you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. And I'll be glad to respond as soon as possible. So don't forget, if you get any value from this video, don't forget to support the channel by subscribing, like, and share. Thank you for watching.